Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's update about Dogecoin. Wednesday, 3rd of November, and a lot of people have been asking me to do an update on Doge. So here we are, okay? Thanks so much for the support that you've been showing, okay? YouTube channel name is Adam Coins for those people who do not know, who are watching on the Facebook groups as well. And yeah, so Dogecoin is still super bullish to me. I know it's not moving from the last time that I made a video, and it did enter a little bit higher in here. Okay, it did enter at the 32 areas. Okay, that was a little bit silly of me, but I'm still holding. I'm not fearful. Okay, one thing in the market, I'm gonna give you a very quick tip, is that you have to control two things. Two things you have to control. One is fear, and one is greed. Okay. There are times when you have to control your fear, and there's time you have to control your greed. Now, when they're at the bottom like this and you fear that they're gonna go even more down, oh no man, this is where you control your fear. This is where traders become so bullish, and I do think Dogecoin is still very bullish. And yeah, I'm gonna give you a detailed analysis today and where we're gonna go. I do have a price target of 60, and for those people who think they're gonna buy Dogecoin right now and tomorrow it's gonna go to 60, no, you're fooling yourselves. Look, it's a process. Okay, it's a very choppy process. Okay, it takes time, but I do think anytime in November till December we're gonna go to that price target. Okay, everything does, and there's a lot of bullish signals that I'm getting for Doge, and it's looking golden. It's looking superb to go towards the upside. Now, a lot of people do not understand this, but I'm gonna dive into the 1 hour time frame, and I'm going to show you something in the 1 hour time frame as well. Okay, so this is the 1 hour time frame, and I do see a pattern here. There's a triangle forming for Doge. Okay, the reason why it has been moving choppy towards the sideways like this, there's something happening, and I'm going to tell you what's happening. Okay, anytime soon until tomorrow, 4th of November, Doge might go from 27 cents to 29 cents. Okay, that's the reason why I'm making this video right now. Why do I say this? There's this triangle moving right now. Okay, I'm going to show you this triangle. Let's take even the wicks as well. Okay, I'm going to show you the wicks right there. We have this form of symmetrical triangle like this. Okay, and we're reaching until 5th of November maximum time. Okay, until 5, and anything can happen before that. Anything can happen before that. I'm going to repeat this again. Okay, let me try to draw this a little bit like that to get so many touches as we can. Okay, and I'm going to tell you the technical targets. Wherever you break out of this triangle from the top there to the bottom, this is where let's say you break out of here. I'm going to put in a horizontal line right there. Okay, this is where we're going to go 2921. Okay, this is your next targets. Remember this video, save this video somewhere so that in the future you're going to understand that how technical analysis, you know, the chart never lies. Okay, I do say this. Now, there's one thing, remember, always play this part. This is not 100%. Nothing is 100%, and nothing is always guaranteed in crypto, but this is strictly probability and statistics, and I'm not giving any financial advice to anyone. It's a research that I'm doing, and my research is working right on the money and every single time. Okay, I'm gonna just say it. Okay, I do this analysis and they're working so far so good. Follow the videos and you're gonna see how good they're working. Okay, and there's an equal chance when you have a symmetrical triangle. Now, this is not bullish, this is not bearish. You have a 50% chance to go to the upside. There's a 50% chance to go to the downside. Now, if you go to the downside, it's just a retest of this support here, and the support here, I'm going to drop another horizontal line, and you have a big support at the 0.26, 26 cents basically. Okay, so that's the shorter time frame. Okay, that is the short time frame, and the reason why the 26 is very important level. I'm going to switch to the 4 hour time frame, and I'm going to show you something really quickly. Okay, we have a very big support on the 26 level. Do you see this? We have some few touches right here, we have some touch right there, another touch right here, another touch right here, another touch right there. And also keep in mind that this was your inverse head and shoulders, just like this. Do you see that? Okay, this was your neckline as well. This was some sort of your neckline here, and we just came and bounced off the neckline, and I do think it's coiling up. It's looking good even on the 4 hour time frame. If I zoom in like this, it is looking very good to actually come here and bounce towards the upside. Okay, it's just moving a little bit sideways, and I do think a breakout is happening soon to go towards the upside. The chances of going up, I do believe it's more than the chances of going down. Even if you go down, I already told you 26 is a very good support level. Okay, and that doesn't mean that it's going to go all the way down. No, I'm not bothered, okay? Even if it goes to 26, I'm holding it. I do believe it's going to do something beautiful. And if it goes down, it's not a bad thing, because if it goes down, stays here, then you're making a double bottom. Do you see that? You're making a double bottom just to go upside, and still you're going to move towards the upside. Do you see that? So just keep holding, you know, don't panic sell, don't sell to the whales, okay? They're trying to shake you out, they're trying to take your money out. It's not a financial advice though, but I do think Doge is looking golden. Now there's one more thing that I want to show you on the daily time frame as well. And hear me out, okay? This is so important. There's an indicator that is flashing very, very bullish, and I'm going to show you this indicator, okay? Before I even show you the indicator, I want to show you the previous history in here, okay? I want to show you the previous symmetrical triangle. It's very, very similar. Now this was back in February to 2 of April 2021, almost like 5-6 months ago. Do you see, notice how it breaks out, and it has a habit of coming down and consolidating for some few days until it doesn't peak towards the upside. Do you see this? Dogecoin has a habit of doing that. If I come back here in this larger symmetrical triangle, I do see this the same thing. Breakout, consolidate just a little bit until it doesn't pick towards the upside, maybe until the middle of November or the late November, but it has an upward potential. Now, the thing that I want to show you here is, very quickly, if I'm going to just zoom out everything, I want you to go to the indicators, okay? So many people do not know this, okay? This is your indicator right there. Click on the indicators, and on the search button, I want you to search for Gaussian channel, okay? And this is going to be the first one, Gaussian channel DW. Click on this one. Yeah, and you're going to see something very, very similar to this, okay? You're going to see something very similar to this. Now, when you're in an uptrend, okay, I'm going to show you something with Doge. From the very, very beginning here, from December or November of 2020, okay, I'm going to show you something that is very bullish about Dogecoin. Now this was back in November 20, and look at this. Anytime you came down, you bounced off the Gaussian channel, you went up, you came here, you bounced here again, you went up, you came here, and it actually went to the middle line right there for a deeper correction. But again, we went out of the Gaussian channel, and this is always bullish. The day you're bearish is when you're under the Gaussian channel. Do you see that? When you're under here, it's the bearish scenario. When you're under just like that, you have bigger dumps, okay? And Dogecoin, I don't see it's doing something like that. We are not under the Gaussian channel until finally we had this massive parabolic move towards the upside until 70-75 cents, and we had a deep correction. We get trapped. Look, I'm gonna zoom in here for clarity. I'm gonna push this to show you what's happening here, okay? And finally we went inside the Gaussian channel. We went back to retest. Do you see that? We got rejection there, and that's the reason why we even went below the Gaussian channel, and that was a little bit bearish. There was a very big correction, and that's the reason why it went for so many days in the sideways. Do you see that? This is like a very good pipe to indicate the future. Now the bullish thing that is flashing, do you see the fact that we have the red here? We have the red here, okay? Then we had a very minor green here, but we were also stopped because of the symmetrical triangle. So what happened is we went to the green, again we went down, we formed the red as well. But the Gaussian channel is now indicating it's flashing green once again. I'm gonna tell you, for the first time from September of 21, do you see a very, 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 very small green signal here? Okay, this is the red here, and that's the green here, and this green is indicating a push of something good. Okay, this is very, very, very bullish signal that is flashing right now. This is the green here. I'm gonna even zoom in a little bit more because now this is not financial advice, but this is strictly a research. Okay, do you see that? The green is flashing, and another good good news that you've already broken of the asymmetrical triangle. Okay, I do see in the very short term, immediate short term, we're going to pump to the 29 cents, and then keep moving to the journey of 59 cents in the midterm. And I do have a long-term targets of going to nearly the $2 region area. So that's it for Doge. I do hope you enjoy this video update. I'm going to see you tomorrow with a new video update. Allah Hafiz.